Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the online class. Dear students, today we have to do chapter number 1, that is concrete, abstract and collective nouns, from your book Understand and Communicate, book 2. So kindly all of you open your book Understand and Communicate 2 at page number 118. So let me tell you about the concrete nouns. Do you know about the concrete noun? A concrete noun is the name of a person, an animal, or an object. It is concrete in that it refers to something which exists in material world. In other words, what a concrete noun refers to has material form. It can be seen or touched. As you know, a noun is the name of a person, a place or thing, but the concrete nouns can be seen and touched. As look at this example, the boy gave his dog a bone. In this example, the nouns are boy, dog, and a bone. And all three nouns are the concrete nouns. As you can see, the boy, the dog, and the bone. So all three nouns, boy, dog, and bone, are the concrete nouns, as you can touch and see these nouns. Now let us move to the abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of an idea, a quality, or an action, or a situation. It refers to something immaterial that cannot be seen or touched. Okay? Look at the examples. His goal is public fame. In this example, goal and fame, these two are the nouns, and these two are the abstract noun, as you can't see the goal and the fame. Now move to the next example. Her hasty decision put her in trouble, and true knowledge should be accompanied by humility. Among the abstract nouns above, knowledge refers to an idea, humility to a quality, decision to an action, and trouble to a situation. So all the above underlined nouns are the abstract nouns, as you can't see or touch the nouns. Okay, so these are the abstract nouns. So now discuss the collective nouns. A collective noun is the name of a group or a collection of persons, animals, or things that is regarded as a single unit. You have already read about the collective nouns as the clump of trees, a flock of birds, a fleet of sheep. So let us see the examples for this collective nouns: staff of employees and bundle of gifts. I hope you better understand about the concrete, abstract, and collective nouns now. So you have to do the exercises on page number 119 and 120 by yourself. Your home assignment is to do the exercises 1, 2, and 3 on your books, and you have to share the pics of your done work under this video post. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And now kindly open your notebooks and books and start doing your work. Take a good care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.